Hi, this is Eric, the Parts Doctor, and today we're going to show you how to replace the door catch cover on your dryer. These instructions apply to dryers made by Whirlpool, including Maytag, Amana, and more. If you need to purchase a new door catch cover, you can check out our website, partsdoctor.com, where we sell parts for all major appliance brands. Here at Parts Doctor, we only sell authentic, genuine parts sourced directly from the manufacturer. The door catch cover is a plastic cover that fits on the door catch and helps guide the door latch into place when closing the door. If it is broken or cracked, it should be replaced. Now, open the dryer's door. The door catch cover is located here on the door of the dryer. Using a T20 Torx bit, remove these 3 screws. Then, remove the door catch cover. If you need to purchase a new door catch cover, you can check our website, partsdoctor.com. We'll leave a link in the description below. You will make sure that you are searching with the model number on the tag of your dryer to make sure you get the correct part. To install, align these tabs on the back of the door catch cover to these slots on the door and install the 3 screws. Then, close the door to make sure that it is closing properly. And that's it for today's video, and if you found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and comment down below. And for more videos like this, please consider subscribing.